हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं लाई हूँ ऐसी वेबसाइट जिसमें आप घर बैठे कमाल की अर्निंग स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें। आज मैं आपके लिए AFR स्टार्स की वेबसाइट लेकर आई हूँ, ज्वाइन टेलीग्राम मोर इन्फो, जिसमें एयरड्रॉप्स कम्बिनेशंस बाय ऑफ रोड्स अवेलेबल्स ऑन द लंच 56 अदर गेट लंच अपडेट्स और बेस्ट टाइम फर्स्ट टू नाउ दिया गया है। आगे देखिए, आगे आपको 1 डे 22 hours 37 minutes एंड 14 seconds 12 seconds दिए गए। यहाँ पे सेकंड्स चल रहे हैं। आगे आपको अफसोर स्टार इन द यूनाइटेड एंड द करेंसी ऑफ द अफ्रीका currency that in the trust and the use source and the quantity and the load cryptocurrency worldwide. The Star will provide a rank of the powerful real work use case for the 4-star crypto token. आगे आपको की प्रोजेक्ट फैक्स्ट 5000 spends on the marketing for launch with falling on the million campaign plan and the ready दिए गए। आगे आपको ये देखें 500,000 exchanges clears of the 4-star then members a spontaneous 4-star information hug offline। आगे आपको हग्यू ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग दिया गया है। यहाँ पे कम्बिगेस ऑलरेडी बॉक्स बिलबोर्ड न्यूज़पेपर बेस्ड अंडरग्रॉप रेडियो वर्ल्ड क्लास 10 रनिंग to the project possessive words wide R and the pair 4। आगे वर्ड स्टॉप क्रिप्टो इन्फ्लुएंस ऑनवर्ड प्रोमोट द प्रोजेक्ट दिया गया। यहाँ पे एक्सटेंशन मार्केटिंग बोथ ऑनलाइन क्रिप्टो एंड द मस मीडिया। आगे आपको हाइजिट दिया गया। Experiences teach them who have done successful crypto launch one of the hottest sessions when then crypto। आगे why invest in the affords crypto token? There are many reasons. Will you take affords? Will be hack success in the will inwards large and the small to be part of the project and the join us in marketing a positive real world change throughout crypto technologies devices or the Binance। आगे आपको दिया गया है expressions skills and our team members have decides of the business expressions heavy run multiply successful combines between his team we went vast skill with his teach will help assure this project is a success। आगे आपको दिया गया है the more successful of the project the more involves in the 4-star token stand to gain many crypto project teams play lack significance business। Now how to achieve their goals, how to buy a 4-star, buy a 4-star now। आगे आपको डाउनलोड ट्रस्ट वॉलेट डाउनलोड द एप्लीकेशन फॉर, यहाँ पे आप यहाँ से आप ना ट्रस्ट वॉलेट डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। आगे आपको दिखाया दिस अपेयर्स इन द स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर होल्डिंग क्रिप्टो करेंसीज इन द डिफाई मार्केटिंग। यहाँ पे आपको अलर्ट नेविटेड meta websites nowadays and the add Binance Smart Chain to your network list step by step tutorial। यहाँ पे फाउंड योर ट्रस्ट वॉलेट दिया गया है। यहाँ पे द फर्स्ट क्रिप्टो एंड द चेज BNB। यहाँ पे स्वैप इनटू अ स्मार्ट चेन BNB BSCC स्मार्ट चेन BNB BSCC विल बी यूज टू एक्सचेंज टू अफोर्ड। यहाँ पे अनअवाइडेबल ट्रस्ट बोवर्स। यहाँ पे आपको ये देखें सारे ऐप दिखाए गए हैं। यहाँ आपको सिलेक्ट फ्रॉम BNB एंड टू इंटर द अफोर्ड BSB कॉन्टैक्टर एड्रेस असोई सिस्टम अफोर्ड एसो सिस्टम पावरफुल क्रिप्टो ट्रेंडिंग टोल्स पावर द अफोर्ड टोकन। आगे आपको दिखाया गया ऑनलाइन टोल्स एंड द डेप्स द अफोर्ड एसो सिस्टम इन अ सूट ऑफ द ऑनलाइन tolls and the DED apps for the crypto indices powered of the 4-star token। आगे आपको यह includes and after now cryptocurrency trending exchange P20P exchange copy trending platform and the community along with my NFT platform. Extra demand, the more people who use our ecosystem, the more fees and the communication that will be generated. These fees is me used to buy a 4-star tokens, creating extra viewing demand. Some of these token will be summoned to these SOS system user and the some used for futures development. Boost price. This extra viewing demand can help boost and the force tokens price hatcher and the plus due to the sticks reward system afford star, then your holders will receive extra tokens for every transaction that anyone carries out in the ecosystem. Page one will you see and the launch of the afford token. This award anyone and daily stage investment operations and we are raise awareness of the project's article Africa and the world. यहाँ पे पेज 2 किया गया वो introduce the afford coin and the blockchain the coin which will be awarded to token holders as a property will product and efficient essay and the use by to everything and making a payment as use the frequent content via the P220p afford exchange. Page 3 will introduce the afford cryptocurrency trading exchange copy trading platform and the community along with NFT platform. The whole afford ecosystem is designed to be one of step solution of the crypto investment needs, while it also rewards affords token rewards. There is an Africa campaign. This the plant from tokens will be accurate useful to crypto investment worldwide. आगे आपको दाया भी दिया गया है। यहाँ पे आपको एक पिक दिखाई गया 4 स्टार्स। यहाँ पे कॉपी ट्रेंडिंग ऐप. The founders are using their 20 years experiences in the investment industry to develop a powerful user-friendly on-stop crypto trading app. People will be able to buy and sell crypto and also have to choice to auto copy and the trends of other people. A range of simple but powerful filters and the sex will you give user the apply to select trended that match their kit and app development. The copy trending app development has already started and will be a part of the 4-star ecosystem will be in trial was being founded by and the founders. People worldwide will ever use the app which tokens their words. People who use app and the higher to number of the transaction and the bigger to being demand for the afford star tokens. आगे लंच दिया गया. We have directly tried to contact with a roadmap timeline. Are you accumulating meaning to have app launched in 2022? The raisings will are realized related to smart test group. We have a very strong talent teach team. We already made go progress. यहाँ पे आपको ये देखें ये ऐड दिखाए गए हैं. AFR के ऐड दिखाए गए हैं. FFT ETC BMB BEH फिल BTC BMB. यहाँ पे आपको रेंज दिखाया गया $19.828, $7.401 प्रॉफिट. यहाँ पे आपको फिल्टर्स दिखाया गया. द फिल्टर्स फॉर सेटिंग्स विच क्रिप्टो ट्रेंडिंग्स टू कॉपी विल हैव अ टाइम प्रोड्यूस सिलेक्शन a star rating system based on a property island and the range of the selection criteria. The criteria will including their over returns, percent of winning traders, numbers of trends, number of people copying their trends, wearing positive side length of the time they have been a copy trendings and investment strategy system. Map shapes. There will be awards user membership levels. Entry level will be free. Budget levels will offers more powerful tools and anything and will be purchased using the fraudster tokens. Also transaction fees with will be earned using after and trendings will be paired their combinations in a 4 star. यहाँ पे आपको डेंडर्स गोल्ड मेंबर्स टीम लाइन एनिएटिंग लिलिक्यून्स टीम्स अफोर्ड्स यहाँ पे आपको ऐड दिए गए हैं रिटर्न्स वाइनर्स इकॉट चैव एक्सक्लूसिव ऑफर्स ऑन द टॉप इन्वेस्टमेंट ट्रेडिंग्स कम्युनिटी इन द एरोप विद 500,000 client assures for 20 years. Hug expressions in running many campaigns successfully implemented multi-million dollar worldwide marketing campaigns throughout understandable of the functions marketing crypto trading exchange. The investment ready went from their investment tools and the apps token maps a 4 star. The transaction fees are the designed to be benefit the whole project within the turn should benefit affords investment on each afford by on the share transaction there is a fee taken as follows. आगे आपको बाय बैक फाउंड दिए गए इन द स्टोच marked convenience something buyback stock when they think the company may to undervalued. This help boost the stock's price and also given confidence to investors resulting in more viewing and the future post the price. A 4 star has an enabling buyback fund which will be used to help support the token's price has to when needed. A fourth token will be bought from the liquidity pool and the bonner. The additional viewing help increase the price and the bore reduce the supply making the token deflationary and the given the price of the futures was marketing and the development to have the most information factory and the sex of the project and development so you have a great real words use product and the marketing so that's loads and the people know about it. A lot of the projects feel short and the supply running out the but just a 4 star tokenomics mean that for every transition the marketing and development but just in growing industries of the record is the does in many other projects combining the sides which affords words clash campaigning development them sets a very strong foundation of the success. Holder rewards आगे आपको affords in the rewards information is the tiers tokens for every buy of share transaction that everyone does. Token holders will review more token based on the number they already hold. आगे आपको दिया गया है this helps reverse selling pressures is also available holders to earn a possessive income will every transaction increasing the liquidity of their tokens. We believe in the long term success of your project and the want to reverse inwards would also see that at the hugs potential rather just now a quick profit operator few steps taken to profit in industries. LP locked the liquidity pool is the locked which and price drops and the priorities. आगे आपको दिया गया bot killer smart code and the bot killer code helps products again yes trending spots as the crypto price. आगे आपको बाय बैक फाउंड दिस इज यूज टू हेल्प सपोर्ट द टोकन प्राइस एंड द व्हेन नीडेड इट विल यू बॉट्स इन्वेस्टमेंट confidence. Atto LPT generated that Atto LPT can help create a price follow a token and also helps makes the price more stable. Multi signatures boiled to prove extra seriously extra and the signature and reverse gets wallet. आगे token disk patterns. The token supply deficit has been on the positions case and the projects and turn benefit our in stories is the tokens in beauty of the Binance Smart Chain is the one kilowatt we have already successful paced our teach rate at dot. As of for 2021 pre-launch promo to 500,000 accessing silence development started on the app and the exchange industry founded by founders. Stasis in Fluidness states affords token launch multiple exchange listing token born at $1 billion and the $5 billion market cap. Contact us whether you want to join our Telegram team, have a marketing proposals, project question or anything else for relate. यहाँ पे नेम मेंशन करेंगे, यहाँ पे ईमेल आईडी मेंशन करेंगे, यहाँ पे फ़ोन नंबर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, यहाँ पे मैसेज क्वेश्चंस आगे आपके गॉड क्वेश्चन ईमेल एज द इन्फोर्ड इन द प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी पॉलिटिक्स काउंसिंग यहाँ पे डिस्क्लाइम्बर स्टैंडिंग क्रिप्टो करेंसी मैनी हैव सीन फाइंड्स रिस्क आर योर कंप्यूटर बी गोट अप योर डाउन इन वैल्यू यू शुड ओनली इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हाट यू डू ऑन अबाउट टू आल्सो and you should investment that you are finally understand your responsibly and the marketing investment divisions reverse trendings please make sure you seek home research or get approach tradings in necessary of the team do not provide final guidance of the adventure investment practical should seek professional advice reading use a value of the 4-star token. It is your responsibility to know whether you are permitted to trade cryptocurrency. Has you token based to the legals to our country of the reverse cryptocurrencies and the uncreate in the UK and the now consumer protections by purchasing a 4-star team you understand that you are being and the seriously of investment and you agree to hold the team harmless and the not livable of the losses or teams and my now climb takes viewing not climb and takes for fees and the official anyone of the award their members not any other client party. NFT Pioing Finance 20.0 rebase minted and the whitelist for provide sale and the preferred 2nd October 15 UTS Max Street BNB soft cap 125 BNB hard cap 250 BNB minutes 1 BNB Telegram Twister and be paying to 2.0 4% rewards 5% rewards 4 points marketing 5% 3 liquidity 5% liquidity div and the Pinkhe and the team PK LPGs appears to the provide value towards weak and the blockchain and the NFT technology recent NFT arts and the NFT game and the chains to a lot blockchain recent NFT art to its games exchange BSC FreeSol etc we plan to bold branded marketing and the blockchain technology and hard to the ignorance behind and the scene to collaborate to make the stairs of the active आगे आपको दिया गया फाइनेंस 2% zero platform and your marketing on this B20 project size you project your rush do you the nature of the BSC this is the better opportunities for the current members and the images we have content on with our stallings to have a development and the Binance Smart Chain viewers each for goals we have should devices new earth and hypers आगे आपको बेस्ट टोकन्स एंड द टोकन्स मीन्स ऑफ द पॉपुलर्स टू मेक अ मोस्ट ऑफ दिस डिस्प्लेस एंड द क्रिएटेड NFT token based on the repair model futures we plan update win function on the website to that scares NFT spread of the marketplace. We will keep on creating stories. It is going to be a long journey, but we will veterinary of the current holders and the with community battery of the current holders and the quantity update you now, and the things we plan to function NFT game are the gallery, NFT art, marketing place and more. Please check our Twitter and the Telegram if you are interested. When nominees 1000 born and lock public pre-sale 34/16 फीसद एयर ड्रॉप। आगे देखें।